Is that a global undervalued?
Yep.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay. I know, and I'll tell you guys right now why it is. This marketing tech company is creating a Zeta One product, kind of like Apple. It's creating an ecosystem, but for the marketing system. In this video today, we're going to be talking about why Zeta is undervalued, and everybody's talking about basically the fair value being way higher than where it is at right now. So just to start with my high five snapshot here, Zeta Global Holding is positioning itself as one of the most powerful AI-driven marketing platforms in the industry. Its data engine gives it a level of precision and scale that competitors are struggling to replicate. You can go ahead and read the rest of that. But the biggest thing of all right now, I think they're having their Palantir AIP moment with Athena. Athena is their super intelligent AI model that is going to basically have Zeta 1 be the captain of that plane and steer it in the right direction for the years to come. Any acquisitions like Marigold or any other future acquisitions that they have, Athena is going to be easily implemented into those companies to help guide them for the future and help bring them into the basically future of AI. So why is this company so undervalued based on the numbers? Well, we see that revenue is going to continue to accelerate, free cash flow is going to continue to accelerate, and you are going to have EPS continue to accelerate. My DCF intrinsic value, not yet based on the Marigold acquisition, is $37 DCF intrinsic value, 50% margin of safety from today's price, $27 EPS fair value, 33%. 33% margin of safety from today's price. If we go a little bit further, if we look at simply Wall Street, they have a $26.77 fair value in this company, 31.8% margin of safety. If we look at analysts are simply saying that their average price target is 28, 51% upside, 36 is their highest, 97% upside, and their lowest is 23. Again, they're currently at $18.25. They're getting this lawsuit behind them. It's a frivolous lawsuit anyways. I've talked about that in depth on my X, and I've recently just created this really nice in-depth post on my X account. This is not Palantir. It's the next AI data beast quietly dominating and disrupting a $1 trillion market. Zeta is a multi-bagger in the making. I truly believe that this company is 5 to 10x over the next 3 to 5 years. And if you want to check that out, you can come on and follow me with 36.7 thousand other people at the RonnieV show. Same handle as my YouTube on here. So if we dive a little bit more into Zeta, since we have some time, if we look at the chart looks really nice. They had this, they had this consolidation period from after they IPO'd. They had a nice launch. They kept moving higher. This company could do no wrong. And then eventually there was a lawsuit that came in, and there was a hit piece or a short report done up, and they had some misinformation in there actually, and they didn't even get the correct correct company that does all the vetting and reporting for Zeta that looks at their books. So they didn't even get that right. Yet this company had a fall from grace down to $10 basically, and has rebounded nicely, reclaimed this 13 EMA, or what I call the axis, reclaimed that, holding this volume shelf, curling up on the matrix, which is my personal indicator that I created. And if we look here, it's held RSI down here multiple times. Hold on, buddy. Oh, hold on. Holding. Well, that's just not the right company. Look at you messing everything up. Zeta. Oh my gosh. They want to see the chart. So if we see this, we've held RSI support here multiple times. Now we're curling up, about to make a bullish cross, about to continue to move higher, in my opinion, through 2026. And we could get back to all-time highs in 2026, up to $38.34. Thanks for joining us. That's why I think Zeta is undervalued. That's why I think this is a great company to own for my portfolio in 2026. And I think we're going to have a massive year in 2026 and going forward. David Steinberg, the CEO, is an amazing person as well. I recently did an interview with him just a few weeks ago, and you can go ahead and check that out on my YouTube as well if interested. Thanks for joining us. Have a great and amazing day, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one.